This is OTeedo, a 1200 watt, 120,000 lumens, 528 LEDs with three types of kelvins, 3500, 4500, 6000, about that range. It lasts up to 24 hours of continuous runtime. Let's show you what this looks like out of the box, how to set it up, and night scene. When we open up the box, it comes nicely packed with the handle. So carefully lift up, grab the handle, and let's open it up. Going over the parts and details of the unit. Masonry anchors for the pole, 2-inch pole to lock on. 2 AAA batteries and the remote control, 3 and 5 hour different types of kelvins on and off, and your hours increase decrease buttons. The base and pole mount and bracket for a pole and the light. The solar array with the bracket, bolts, and the 526 LEDs. And the on and off switch to show the power of the unit charging and turning on. Install the batteries to remote control. Press the unit on by turning the on button first, and then able to use the remote control and adjust the kelvins of the 3 different types. The OTeedo 1200 light can be hung from 10 feet to 20 feet with a 2,000-foot throw. This will light up a basketball, tennis court, a lot, and more. The 30,000 milliamp battery will light up this unit for up to 30 hours, 24 to 30 hours, depending on the mode and how it's being used. It'll need a couple of days to fully charge the unit in direct sun, and will work in extreme temperatures from the heat to the extreme cold. Hanging is as easy as finding a spot and placing onto a pole, grabbing the light to the base, and adjusting down with the tool the bolts. When all tightened down, turn on the unit by hitting the on button on the light. Shuts off automatically when collects enough sun. In the evening hours, this will light up. The OTeedo 1200 watt LED light has a charging indicator that is a multicolor from a purple, a blue, and red, showing you that it is collecting some of the sun. On a full day, we'll show you what it looks like, and on the evening hours, what it looks like lit up, and go through some of the settings. We're going to show you what it looks like right now in the evening hours. We could turn the light off and on 100%, and it's going to dim down. We changed the kelvins from white to soft, which is 3,000, 3,500, 4,500 to 6,000. The timer set, and you could choose different timers to go on and off. The light works with motion sensor. It'll shut down to 30% and then turn on to 100%. When you don't want the light on, you simply hit the off button and it'll go off. And then it'll go on the next day, dusk to dawn. If you're looking for a motion light, different types of kelvins, by hitting the Kelvin button, the on button, and changing the kelvins, this light may be right for you. Check out the 120,000 lumens, 1,200 watt OTeedo street light.